Krisp AI versus NoiseTorch. Best AI noise cancellation tool for calls, meetings, and recordings. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and honest tech comparisons. Today, we're comparing Krisp AI versus NoiseTorch to see which one is the best AI noise cancellation tool for calls, meetings, and recordings. Let's start with Krisp AI. Krisp is a cloud-based AI noise cancellation tool that works on Windows, Mac OS, and even mobile. It removes background noise like keyboard sounds, fans, traffic, and voices in real time. Krisp works with apps like Zoom, Discord, Google Meet, and Teams without complex setup. However, it has time limits on the free version, and full features require a paid plan. Now, NoiseTorch. NoiseTorch is a free, open-source noise suppression tool, mainly for Linux users. It uses your system's microphone input and applies noise reduction locally. It's lightweight, private, and has no usage limits, but setup can be more technical, and it doesn't work on Windows or mobile. So which one should you choose? If you want easy setup, cross-platform support, and strong AI noise removal, Krisp AI is better. If you want a free, privacy-friendly solution on Linux, NoiseTorch is the better option. Pro tip: for professional meetings or content creation, Krisp is more reliable. For Linux users who prefer open-source tools, NoiseTorch is a solid choice. To sum it up, Krisp AI wins for convenience and performance, while NoiseTorch wins for being free and private. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment below which one you use, Krisp or NoiseTorch.